Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydiaa, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And for the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel. We do cooking, vlogs, DIY, and fashion. So today it's another cooking video. Yeah, I'm going to cook spaghetti. I just hope you're going to enjoy and love the video. So first of all, let me show you guys the ingredients. So we have green pepper, onions, mincemeat, garlic, and coriander. The sauce that I'm going to use, but you can use American sauce. I will insert a picture. We have paprika, Royco, curry powder, and beef masala, and we have 1 cube. I don't use salt, so I'm just going to use this one. Yeah, this is all that we need. I usually put the mincemeat, the ingredients, and the spices at once because I usually love it to get like the mincemeat to get all the flavors to be more tastier, more yummy, just all the ingredients to go nicely into the meat. So, guys, if you try to cook your spaghetti like this, trust me, you won't regret it. You will love your spaghetti from now on. You'll be cooking spaghetti every day. After like 15 minutes, 15 to 20, when the mincemeat are ready, now you can add the sauce. I usually put like half of this. If you have tomato paste, just add 1 teaspoon, but for me I don't have, so I'm going to add this sauce. But you can even get this sauce at any supermarket. Yeah. But if it's tomato paste, do 1 teaspoon. Don't do more than that. Yeah. Et voila. Now let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. The black ones are olives. Yeah, the sauce that I used had olives inside. But you can use American. Actually, American is good. I'm gonna show you a pic. I'm gonna put a picture here. Ooh, look at this. Royco, only 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon. Butter. For the spaghetti, you can use any brand that you want, but me, I have this one, and I prefer to mix the spaghetti, the shells one, this type, and also this type. Let me put them in a bowl and then show you guys. Yeah, but you can use any type of spaghetti that you want.
Look at that. I can't eat right now. I love these ones the most.
Yummy. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.
Bye.
Till next time, bye.